Okay, again I am explaining you more with this transitive verb and intransitive verb. Okay, let us see. First of all, see the definition. The transitive verb used with a direct object transmits actions to an object and may also have an indirect object which indicates to or for whom the action is done. Means again here asking about what and whom question. In another words, transitive verb is a verb that transmits action to an object. Okay, a transitive verb is followed by a word or words called the direct object. The answer of the question, when we ask a question from the verb what or whom, these are calling, and the answer we get, if we get the answer, this is called the transitive verb. Example: the pilot landed the antique airplane. Airplane is the direct object. How? When we ask a question, landed what? Landed what? So the answer we get, the antique airplane, that is the direct object. Okay, now see the next slide. Example: he sent the letter. He sent what? The answer we get is letter. So letter is the direct object of sent. She gave a lecture. She gave what? Lecture. So lecture is again a direct object. In this sentence, something is being done to an object. So these verbs are calling as a transitive verbs. A transitive verb can also have an indirect object also that precedes or comes before the direct object. Means some sentences are there in the English grammar, they are having two objects, direct objects and indirect object. Let us see. The indirect object tells to for whom, means the answer we get of whom, this is called the indirect object, and the answer we get as a what, that is called the direct object. What is denoting for the direct object and whom is denoting for the indirect object. Okay. Example: she sent Robert the letter. Very nice example it is. You can understand by this example very well. See, he sent what? The letter. So it's a direct object. Okay. What question? The letters, the words which are giving the answer of the direct question. What question? These are called the direct object. And he sent whom? When we ask a question, he sent whom? So the answer we get is Robert. Whom answer is the Robert. So it's an indirect object. Whom answer is an indirect object and what answer is a direct object. Now let us see the next example. She gave her class the lecture. Okay, again we'll ask two questions with the gave. From gave, first I will ask a question. She gave what? The lecture. It's a direct object. She gave whom? Her class. It's an indirect object. Very simple it is. The direct object lecture receives the action gave. The indirect object class is the group to whom the lecture is given. To whom the lecture is giving? Class. And what she gave? The lecture. So what answer is the direct object and whom answer is the indirect object. Okay. Now we'll see the definition of the intransitive verb. An intransitive verb does not take any object. Like she sleeps too much. She sleeps what? When we ask a question what, did you get the answer? No. She sleeps whom? No, again you are not getting any answer of what and whom. When we not get any answer of what and whom, that means it is not a transitive verb. He complains what? Did you get the answer what? No, it's the answer of how. So it is not a transitive verb. It's an intransitive verb. Let us practice. See, tell me what each sentence is using a transitive verb or intransitive verb. Okay. Kinney taught the class. Kinney taught what? No. Whom? The class. Kinney taught whom? The class. So it's a transitive verb. He sits around too often. Think. Ask a question what and whom. He sits what? Did you get the answer? No, I am not getting. He sits whom? No, again around the often. So it's the answer of where. So it is a intransitive verb. Okay. Rob ran the marathon in under 2 hours. Rob ran what? Did you get again? Rob ran what? The marathon. So it's a transitive. The boy cries a lot. The boy cries how? The answer we get a lot. So again it's intransitive. Okay. Let us see. Oh wow. Answer is again here. Nitty taught the class. Nitty taught what? The class. So it's a transitive. He sits around too often. He sits, so it's intransitive. Robert ran the marathon under 2 hours. It's a transitive. The boy cries a lot.